Hey guys, happy Valentine's Day. Today we are going to make 3 dishes. Be the chocolate chia pudding and the strawberry mousse, and another one would be the blueberry mousse cake. We would be needing strawberries, blueberries, honey, vanilla essence, dark chocolates, cream cheese, unsalted butter, powdered sugar, chia seeds, milk, paneer cubes, cocoa powder, and for the biscuits I have taken dark fantasy cream cheese biscuits. So now we are going to make a chocolate chia pudding, which is the healthiest version. So first I have taken chia seeds, milk, and the cocoa powder, honey, vanilla essence. To grind these ingredients. So now the mousse has been transferred into a glass cup. So I'm going to refrigerate it overnight. The chia pudding has been set for a while. Before serving it, I would like to add some peanut butter, melted some dark chocolates. So please melt this dark chocolate using a double boiler or in an oven for 30 seconds. Let's make some strawberry mousse. So I have taken the blender again, so because we are going to blend the strawberry. So I'm going to add some fresh strawberries. So I have taken 5 strawberries for this. I'm going to blend the strawberries into a smooth paste. Blended the strawberries are now blended into a paste. I am going to add 2 cubes of paneer, some cream cheese. So once the cream cheese is added, I'm going to add some powdered sugar, tiny bit of vanilla, and once all the ingredients are added, I'm going to blend this again. So I'm going to transfer into the serving bowl or glass or whichever you want. Strawberry mousse is ready. Prefer to keep this overnight before serving. And now for the blueberry cheesecake, we are going to make the sauce first. So for making the sauce, we are going to need some blueberries, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, and the powdered sugar. I'm going to keep it in a low flame, make it into a sauce. Sauce is ready. You have to rest this sauce for about 3 hours maximum till it comes to a room temperature. To make the first layer, I'm going to crush the biscuits along with some butter, and I'm going to grind this. Now I'm going to add the crushed biscuits. You have to press gently, so you don't have to press it very hard so that it breaks the texture. So if you want, you can keep it in the fridge for an hour. I have taken a glass bowl, and in the glass bowl I'm going to add some cream cheese, add the blueberry sauce which we have prepared, and I'm going to mix it. If the mixture is thick, you can add some milk. You can see the ingredients are now mixed well. Now we are going to transfer this into the ramekin. I'm going to set this in the fridge for 2 hours, or if you prefer, you can keep it overnight before serving.